Hi, folks. My name's Ian, and this is my co-founder, Andrew. We're going to show you our champion tracking system. As a salesperson myself, I know it's very hard to find warm leads. But what I also know is if I reach out to previous customers who have changed jobs and moved to new companies, they are much more likely to respond and much more likely to become top of funnel for me to then eventually become a deal. So we're going to show you how to do this at scale. We're working with some beta customers, and this is a sample of one of our beta customers' data. Trey has sent us a dump of all of their customers who use their products today. We've received a CSV of 25,000 leads, 25,000 customers who are actively using Trey. So you can see things like first name, last name, the number of hours they've been using the product, their title, and also their role in the deal, whether they were a decision maker, a champion, an economic buyer. So now that we have this list of customers, we are trying to understand where they have moved to. So we're going to go look on LinkedIn to go figure out if they are still at their jobs or if they have moved. So in this case, we're going to go find M. Ochoa, who was the CFO at Elation. Once we run our champion tracking system, it generates an output. That output is in this tab. And we can see that M. Ochoa, whose name's actually Max Ochoa, was at Elation and did actually change jobs and move to a company called Satelles, where he's now the CFO and general counsel. So what we've just done is we've tracked 25,000 leads to figure out how many of them have changed jobs. And we found around 4,000 new job changes, which are essentially 4,000 warm leads for the salesperson to go chase after. Now, Andrew's going to talk about why this is actually very hard to do.
One of the hardest things to deal with in this champion tracking system is handling poor data quality. So in this specific example, you can see that we did not receive the full first name of this customer. We only received the first initial M. But what our system is able to do is extract, full name from different context from the data that we receive. So, for example, if we do not receive the full name, sometimes we're able to actually complete the full name from the customer's email address. So that's one of the examples of how we, clean the data to increase the match rate. The other important, piece of data for matching is also the company name. Elation Inc. Has to be normalized to just Elation in order to basically get a match, and we do this across all of the company names for all of the customers. After the system runs and matches all of the customers from the original data set, you can see, like I mentioned previously, M. Ochoa is matched to Max Ochoa, and Max moved from Elation Inc. to Satelles. It's important to rank all of the matches just because we want to make sure that the highest quality leads are, ranking near the top for our customer. So the approach to ranking is to take into consideration the lead's title, their contact role, their usage, and basically apply a score which will allow all of the highest quality leads to rank towards the top and all of the lowest quality leads to rank towards the bottom.
Thanks, Andrew. So now that we've found all of these leads, the next step in the process is actually to alert the sales reps, because every sales rep owns a different company. So we need to alert the owner of Satelles and let him or her know that Max was a previous customer, now is at Satelles, and now they can reach out in a very warm way to improve the chances of creating some pipeline or getting to someone in the company who can help close the deal. And that's what we're working on right now, is the lead routing and alert notification system. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.